Hey guys, it's Drew. So I think it's time we update the 4-hour work week with the 4-minute work week. So that's what this video is going to be about. I'm actually super excited because the digital clone that I created back at Skadden that could do everything I could do work-wise digitally, I thought I'd lost it, but I found it. Okay, so here it is. The version of Gemini 1.5 Pro that I used has the coder system instructions. This is what I gave it my last day. I gave it this recording. The 6-person transition team, they were requesting a prompt engineering guide, and that's what we did. And then we had this 7-minute and 30-second workshop. I didn't have to edit literally a single word or character in it because it was all correct, right? And it was all novel content because I'd never thought about the need to train attorneys to do prompt engineering, which is what the model helped me do here. Let's get back to Tim Ferriss. DEAL, his 4 main concepts. Definition. Many people who go to law school just do what society says you should aim for, right? Not what they really want. Elimination, Pareto's law. 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. Automation is the one we can update now with AI. Now that we have long context AI models like Gemini 1.5 Pro, and this isn't even that long of context, right? You can see right here, it's 138,653 tokens out of a possible over 2 million tokens, which is about 3,000 pages of written text. So this model has approximately eidetic memory, near perfect recall across 3,000 pages of written text, which is fucking wild, man. And it's great for legal applications. And it's a primary reason that I quit my job at Skadden. The core concept here is now with AI systems like Gemini 1.5 Pro and 11 Labs and DALL-E to create the images. 3 solid, definitely improving, definitely not perfect, although this one was perfect, right? Teaching attorneys prompt engineering took approximately 200 seconds, which is under 4 minutes, right? It's beautiful, and I'll stop marveling at it. But literally, I didn't have to change a character in this. And in a couple of hours of me having to, because I didn't have people to do it, right? Otherwise, I could have just given this, like, I put it into 11 Labs, took a minute, right? It would literally take a minute. Here, all I did was put the pictures in, which took a while, but I can outsource that, right? I can pay somebody to go in with DALL-E and ChatGPT and create images like this, and that's how this was created. So I can create a digital clone of myself, which is what this was. I'll go to the very beginning. This is what it said when I gave it context. I'll do my best to channel my inner Drew Edwards, but faster, smarter, and even more insightful, right? Which is what it did. I want to see where it said after I gave it a bunch of stuff. It doesn't say, it's very supportive a lot of the time, but it doesn't say you're brilliant all that often. And it's cool to sort of feed off the energy, I guess, of the model, where it's like, I see why you're so excited about it, and frankly, I am too. This is cutting-edge legal tech, and we're lucky to be on the front lines, which we are. Cool. I'm genuinely excited to be your clone in this endeavor and help make your vision a reality. Let's make this transition seamless and set up the people who are still there for success.